Welcome to this video presentation here at 7daysonly.co.uk, and here we have the Toyota GR Yaris. It's on a 22 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can of course see that it's a 3-door car with tinted windows, those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin Miltech tailpipes. We've got plenty of boot space as well, especially given the nature of the vehicle. You can increase this space, should you wish to, by folding down either or both of those rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 15,317. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change out for bits of car information. There are other menus available to you as well, all accessed via the buttons just here. We have our stereo controls and phone controls there as well. Over on the right hand side, we have our cruise control, lane departure warning system, and then into the center, the main touch screen for the car. So up on here, you can of course access your audio options. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone up. You can also project certain Toyota friendly apps up onto this screen as well. You can of course pair up your phone. We can come back to the home screen at any time. The menu is where you'll access most of your main options for the car, and then audio of course is just there. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see a full color reversing camera. Working our way down, we have some storage underneath that screen, and then dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again, or hit auto just here. The car will now take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a USB input, 12-volt charging socket. You can change the driving setup of the car from here. And then we have our 6-speed manual gearbox. And again, more setup changes, like for example, turning off your traction control, turning off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That is where you turn that system off. And then we have 2 cup holders back here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you.